Consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video if you found it useful. Hello kids, this is Spencer from West Coast Pedalboard, and today we're going to be talking about screws. We like to think that our screws are the best. They are actually. These are black oxide. We sell them in packs of 25. And they are offered in sizes of 3/8, 5/8, and also 3/4 inch. We include these screws with every pedal board that we sell because there's so many good uses for them. We include them with almost everything in our DIY section as well. If you buy a harness, you're going to get a couple screws. If you buy an audio connector, you're going to get a couple screws. We just love these screws, and you will too. Buy a bunch.